In the vibrant city of Indore, where innovation meets tradition, stands a commercial laboratory dedicated to excellence in science, Ayush Research Laboratories Private Limited, founded with a vision to deliver world-class testing services. Ayush Labs has become a trusted name in pharmaceutical, food, and environmental analysis across India. Our mission is simple yet powerful to ensure quality, safety, and reliability through accurate testing and transparent processes. At Ayush Labs, we believe that every result represents a promise of purity, precision, and progress spread across a modern facility in Indore. Ayush Research Laboratories is equipped with a state of the art analytical instruments and world class infrastructure. Every section, from chemical and microbiological analysis to instrumental and environmental testing, is designed to deliver accuracy and consistency. Our laboratories maintain controlled environments to ensure precise testing conditions, while our quality management system keeps every process under strict supervision and validation. Quality is not just a procedure, it's our foundation.
As a managing director, I ultimate guardian of the quality and compliance, and we are leading the QC and Q department. Our focus on three things: scientific excellence, operational efficiency, and regulatory compliances and integrity.
Ayush Research Laboratories is proudly NABL accredited and certified under ISO 9001:2015 for quality management, ISO 14001:2015 for environmental management, and ISO 45001:2018 for occupational health and safety.
As a marketing manager, client satisfaction is our first priority because when I committed to the market to deliver the report within 3 days or 2 days. This is our basic responsibility as a manager in IUS to deliver client with accuracy.
This global standards reflects our unwavering commitment to scientific excellence and sustainable operations. We provide a wide spectrum of testing services covering pharmaceutical products, raw materials, APIs, excipients, and finished formulations. Our expertise also extends to food and water testing, heavy metal analysis, microbiological contamination checks, and environmental monitoring. From quality assurance to research and development, Ayush Lab serves as a reliable partner to manufacturers, exporters, and regulatory bodies alike. Behind every accurate report stands a team of dedicated scientists, analysts, and technicians. Our experts bring together years of experience in pharmaceutical and food testing, combining scientific precision with ethical responsibility. Continuous training and research keep our team updated with the latest global standards and analytical methodologies. Transparency and trust are at the core of every partnership we build, whether it's a small scale enterprise or a multinational organization. Each client receives personalized attention, prompt communication, and dependable results. We believe that our growth lies in our clients' confidence and satisfaction. Ayush Labs continues to expand its facilities and testing capabilities, embracing automation, digital documentation, and eco friendly laboratory practices. Our goal is to contribute to a healthier and safer world through innovation driven research. Ayush Research Laboratories Private Limited, committed to purity, precision, and progress, your trusted partner in scientific testing and quality excellence. To contact Ayush Laboratory, you can visit 25 Gokuldas Compound, Industrial Estate, opposite Kalyan Mill, Indore, or you can reach them on the following number: 7017648094, 825-302-1488, 9424445794, 9244699122.